Hi everyone, welcome to APTS Education channel. In this video, we'll be discussing general science related questions which are important for APPSC and TSPSC exams. So let's start. So which of the following is the main component of kidney stone? And the options are copper oxalate, potassium oxalate, calcium oxalate and sodium oxalate. So which of the following is the main component of kidney stone? And the answer is calcium oxalate is the main component of kidney stones. So Bile juice helps in the digestion of, and the options are proteins, fats, vitamins, nutrients. Bile juice helps in the digestion of fats. Next, bile juice helps in the digestion of fats due to presence of, and the options are bile salts, bile pigments, enzymes and HCl. So bile juice helps in the digestion of fats due to presence of bile salts. Next, the liquid portion of blood is called, and the options are plasma, serum, platelets, red blood cells. The liquid portion of blood is called plasma. So the organism that can make their own food are called, and the options are heterotrophs, autotrophs, herbivores and saprotrophs. And the answer is autotrophs. The organisms that can make their own food are called autotrophs, which depends heterotrophs. The chemical present in vehicular exhaust that is responsible for reducing the blood's ability to carry oxygen is, and the options are carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. And the answer is carbon monoxides. This is responsible for reducing the blood's ability to carry oxygen. The brain is enclosed in a bony case called, and the options are peritoneum, pericardium, cranium and vertebrae. And the answer is cranium. The red blood cells are produced at, the RBCs are produced at, and the options are spleen, bone marrow, heart and liver. So RBC are produced at bone marrow. Next, which of the following is not related to cancer? We'll see the options. What are those? Tumor, biopsy, insulin and chemotherapy. Tumor is also related, biopsy, okay, by which the doctors will detect whether it is cancer or not, and chemotherapy is also related to, and insulin is not related. So the answer is insulin. So which of the following vitamins is essential for blood coagulation? And the options are vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B and vitamin D. So which vitamin is essential for blood coagulation? And the answer is vitamin K. So the lifespan of RBC, that is red blood cells, is dash days, and the options are 120 days, 90 days, 150 days, 60 days, and the answer is 120 days. The RBC, okay, lifespan of RBC is 120 days. One of the following is not a part of abiotic component of ecosystem, and the options are temperature, rainfall, minerals and microorganisms. And the answer is microorganisms. Biotic means living things and abiotic means non-living things. So we are talking about here not a part of abiotic components. The temperature, rainfall, minerals all are part of abiotic because these are non-living things, and microorganisms is a living thing. So it is part of biotic component. So which of the following is a carbohydrates? And the options are glucose, urea, insulin and glycine. And the answer is glucose. Just remember the formula of glucose also. So the source of oxygen in atmosphere is due to, and the options are respiration, photosynthesis, excretion and nitrogen fixation. And the answer is photosynthesis. The source of oxygen in atmosphere is due to photosynthesis. So locomotory organ of a starfish is, and the options are flipper, tube feet, paddle and muscular foot. And the answer is tube feet. So locomotory organ of a starfish is tube feet. The latex of which plant is used commercially? And the options are banyan tree, papaya tree, CL canta tree plant and a rubber plant. So the answer is rubber plant. Which of the following causes swine flu? And the options are virus, bacteria, fungi and tapeworm. And the answer is virus causes swine flu. Riboflavin is dash. And the options are vitamin, hormone, enzyme, and fatty acid. So riboflavin is a vitamin. Next, insectivorous plants trap insects fur, and the options are carbohydrates, nitrogen, fats, and vitamins. And the answer is nitrogen. So insectivorous plants trap insects for nitrogen because they lack nitrogen. The only living tissue in plant xylem is, and the options are trachea, xylem fiber, xylem parenchyma, and trachead. And the answer is xylem parenchyma. Next, the part of the brain which coordinates voluntary muscle movement is called, and the options are medulla oblongata, hypothalamus, cerebellum, cerebrum. So the part of the brain which coordinates voluntary muscles movement is called cerebellum. Next, which of the following enzyme is used in the stabilization of rice bran oil? And the options are lipase, carbohydrates, protease, and hydrolysis. And the answer is lipase is the enzyme used in the stabilization of rice bran oil. Next, hepatitis A is an inflammation of the dash caused by the hepatitis A virus. And the options are brain, lungs, kidney, and liver. So hepatitis A is an inflammation of liver. Penicillin is extracted from, and the options are algae, fungus, virus, and bacteria. And the answer is fungus. Next, pulses are a good source of dash, and the options are carbohydrates, vitamins, fats, and proteins. So pulses are a good source of proteins. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to APTS education channel, and all the best for your exams.